Trinidad and Tobago is a Caribbean country with two islands. Trinidad is busy with cities, while Tobago is known for its beautiful beaches. The country has a mix of cultures, famous for its carnival music and food. English is the main language, and people are friendly and proud of their heritage. Tagline: The greatest show on earth refers to the world famous carnival, a huge celebration filled with music, dancing, and vibrant costumes that attracts visitors from around the world every year. Ang The Greatest Show on Earth ay tumutukoy sa sikat na carnival ng Trinidad at Tobago, isang makulay na selebrasyon na may sayawan, musika at makukulay na costume. Maraming tao mula sa ibang bansa ang pumupunta para makisaya. Port of Spain. Port of Spain is Trinidad's capital, known for its lively culture, festivals, and attractions, like Queen's Park Sabana and the Royal Botanic Gardens. Ang Port of Spain ay ang capital ng Trinidad at Tobago. Kilala ito sa masayang kultura at mga selebrasyon at mga lugar gaya ng Queen's Park Sabana at Royal Botanic Gardens. Isa ito sa mga sikat na lugar sa bansa. The flag of Trinidad and Tobago has a red background with a black and white diagonal stripe. The red represents the warmth and energy of the people. The black symbolizes the strength and determination, and the white stands for the country's sea and air. Currency: Trinidad and Tobago dollar or TTD. The currency used in Trinidad and Tobago is the Trinidad and Tobago dollar. Language: English. The official language of Trinidad and Tobago is English, with many people also speaking local Creole. Religion: Christianity, Hinduism, Islam, Rastafarianism, Buddhism. Carrier: Caribbean Airlines. Common cuisines: Popular street food, gobbles consists of two flat pieces of fried bread filled with curried chickpeas and topped with tamarind sauce, pepper sauce, and cucumber. Ito ay isang sikat na street food na gawa sa 2 pirasong tinapay na may palaman na curried chickpeas. Nilalagyan nito ng tamarind sauce, pepper sauce, at pipino. Kalalu: Cream soup made with leafy greens, coconut milk, and seasoning. It's often served with rice or bread. Ito ay soup na gawa sa mga dahon ng gulay, gata ng niyog at pampalasa. Madalas itong isinasabay sa kanin o tinapay. Bake and shark: A popular beach side snack where fried shark fillet is served in a soaked fried bread called bake and topped with various toppings like lettuce, tomatoes, and special sauces. Ito ay pritong fillet ng pating na nakalagay sa tinapay at may iba't ibang toppings. Most famous destination: Nylon Pool, a shallow clear water pool in the middle of the ocean, famous for its beauty and a popular spot for swimming and relaxation. Marvelous Bay, a beautiful beach with calm waters, perfect for swimming and enjoying the stunning natural scenery. The Caroni Bird Sanctuary, a peaceful nature reserve that is home to the national bird, the scarlet ibis. It's a great spot for bird watching and boat tours. Pigeon Point, known for its picturesque beach, crystal clean waters, and iconic Dutch roof pavilion, perfect for sunbathing and water sports. Festivals in Trinidad and Tobago. Carnival, a massive celebration before Lent. Carnival in Trinidad is famous for its colorful costumes, lively parades, and infectious music like soca and calypso. It's one of the largest festivals in the world. Sikat ito sa makukulay na costume. Isa ito sa pinakamalaking festival sa mundo. Diwali, a festival of lights celebrated by the Hindu community, marked by decorating homes with oil lamps, firecrackers, and feasts. It symbolizes the victory of light over darkness. Sila ay naglalagay ng mga oil lamps sa bahay, may paputok at handaan. Trinidad and Tobago culture. In some families, younger people may kiss the hand of an elder as a sign of respect. People value hard work, striving to improve their lives and support their families. Juve, a fun early morning celebration during Carnival where people cover themselves in mud or paint and dance through the streets. It's a special way to celebrate freedom and culture. In Tobago, goat racing and crab racing are popular, fun events. These races are unique to the island and draw locals and tourists alike. Climbing means hanging out with friends, often casually in a park, at home, or on the streets. It's a big part of the culture focusing on relaxation and socializing.